go get some steel wool and baking paper. I swear this is a crafting channel, not a cooking channel. If this video gets 250 likes, I will make some edible terrain. Start by cutting 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch long pieces from the wool. Spread it out with your fingers until it looks like a bush without leaves. Trim most of the stray hairs with scissors. Lay down some hot glue on the baking paper and insert your steel wool bush there. You may need to hold it upright for a couple of seconds. Just make more and more. Here's what mine looked like. Remember, there are a lot of different shapes of bushes out there, so almost anything will do. Then just paint them with brown spray paint. And wear a mask if you're doing this inside. Let's make some flock from fallen leaves. I know this is pretty scary, but you need to go outside. It's so nice out here. I wish it would be summer. But let's get back to reality. It's snow, snow, and some more snow. Gather some leaves. Bake them in the oven at 120 Celsius for 30 minutes. Until they have a beautiful golden crust and are... No, wait a second. This will also kill all the bacteria and other stuff living in the leaves. Take them out and crush them with your fingers until they are pretty fine, and there you go, free and good looking flock. This video is a prequel to the next video where I challenge myself to make a forest scatter without painting any of the ground cover. Be sure to subscribe to see will I make it or not. And if you wanna support the channel, leave a like, comment or use the affiliate links in the description to buy your supplies from Amazon. They don't cost anything extra to you and the channel will get a small percentage from the purchase. Thanks. Here's the rest of the flocks I used with them. They're woodland scenic, well basically just weeds color fine turf and burnt grass color fine and coarse turf. Spray on some glue, remember to use mask and use the flocks in random combinations. You can use any color you want, these are just the ones that I had, so it doesn't really matter. There are a lot of different kind of bushes out there. Once everything is covered with flock, give all of the bushes 2 thick coats of hairspray to lock everything down. Varnish is a little bit better, but I wanted to show you that this gets the job done too. Thanks for watching and have a nice one.